Good morning, my 7th standard students. How are you all? Okay, so here I'm gonna start with the next point, and this is LCM. LCM, which means least common multiple. Least common multiple. In our previous video, we saw how to find out the HCF, that was highest common factor. Am I right? HCF, highest common factor. In that, we have to find out the bigger divisor by which we have divided each of the given number, and in LCM, that is least common multiple, in this we have to find out the smallest number which is divisible by each of the given numbers. Okay, so this is LCM. How to find out the LCM? Let's get started with it. For example, find the LCM of 60 and 48. LCM of 60 and 48. How to find out the LCM when the two numbers are given? See with the solution. You can use vertical arrangement as well as horizontal arrangement. With what you are comfortable, you can use that method. So here I am using the vertical arrangement to find out the factors of 60. Write the 60 at the unit place. 0 is there, so we can divide it by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 0s are 0. Again, 2 1s are 2, this is 3 carry when it became 10, 2 5s are 10. Now 15 cannot divisible by 2, so we can use 3, 3 5s are 15. 5 is a prime number, so we will divide 5 by 5. Okay, this is the factor of 60. Like this, you have to find out the factor of 48. Like this, with the same method, at the unit place, 4 8 is there, we can divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. This is the division of 48. Then we have to write the factor of 60. 60 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Write all the factors. Then 48. 48 equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. These are the factor of 60 and these are the factor of 40. Now, how to find out the factors to find the LCM? To find out the LCM from this factor is little bit different than the HCF. In HCF, we have to find out the common factor, we have to make the pair, and from this pair, we have to choose a single digit. Am I right? But in LCM, first we have to see, can you see 2, 2, it occurs 2 times in the factor of 60, and 2, 2, 2, 2, it occurs 4 times in the factor of 48. So what we have to make, we have to do the pair. 2 multiplied by 2 is a one pair, and we have to choose 2 multiplied by 2, another pair from the factor of 48. Okay, then we have to see another pair of 2 into 2, which is not there in the factor of 60. Are you getting me? हमें एक पेयर 60 के फैक्टर से लेना है, another pair 48 के फैक्टर से लेना है, but they should be in pair. And another pair is there of the 2 in the factor of 48, which is not there in the factor of 60. So we have to take that pair too. Getting me? Yeah. It means from this both pair, we will take only one pair. From this both pair, we will take only one pair, and the remaining 2 multiplied by 2, that we have to take. To find out the LCM, we have to find like this. Then 3 occurs 1 and 3 occurs only once over here. So from this pair, we will take only one. Are you getting me? See, अब 2 into 2 के pair से हमने one pair ले लिया. अब 3 doesn't make pair over here, but it make pair with this 3. So from this both 3, we will take only one 3. Into 5 is there, 5 is not there, but we have to take this 5. How? Because 2 into 2 was the one more pair in factor of 48. That was not here, but we took that also. Getting? So now 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 into 5 multiplied by 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 39, 39 5s are 39 5s are 5 9s are 45. Sorry, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. 48 multiplied by 5. Okay. Then do the multiplication. 8 5s are 40. 0 carry 4. Then 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4 24. So what? The LCM for 60 and 40 is 240. The LCM of 60 and 48 is 240. Like this we have to find out the LCM. Then the next example is find the LCM of 18, 30 and 15. Will you find it? Find LCM of 18, 30 and 15. See, you can use vertical arrangement as well as horizontal. So chalo, we'll solve it by using horizontal arrangement because the first we have solved with the vertical. Okay, solution. 18 as you know that 9 multiplied by 2 will be 18, so you can write 9 multiplied by 2. That's one more thing. When writing the multiplicants, we have to take the smaller number first. So if you will write 2 multiplied by 9, that will be more better. Okay, 2 multiplied by 9. Then 9, write the factor of 9. 3 multiplied by 3, multiplied by 2 will be as it is. Here we get the all prime number, so stop this factorization over here. Then 30 we can divide it by 2 also. 2 multiplied by 2 ones are 2, carry 1, 2 5s are 10. 2 will be as it is. 15 cannot divisible by 2, so we will divide it by 3. 3 5s are 15. We get the prime factor over here. Then 50 see now, 50 we can divide it by 2 also, but the step will be lengthy, no? So 50, as you know that 25 2s are 50, so we can write 2 multiplied by 25. Then 2 will be as it is. Multiplied by 25 is the 5 multiplied by 5. If you will divide by 2, you will get the same factor at the end. Okay, now what? How to find out the factors? See, 3 occurs in pair here. Okay, 3 occurs in pair over here. We will write 3 multiplied by 1 more 3 is there. 3 is not there, 3 is not there also. Are you getting me? First we have to make pair. So this 3 making pair with this 3, so we will have only 1 3. Okay, then 1 more 3 is there, which is not there, which is not there. That we have to write 3 multiplied by 3. Multiplied by 2 is making pair with this 2 and with this 2 also. So from this 3 pair of 2, we will have 1 2. Correct? Multiplied by 5 is there also. So from this pair of 5 we'll have 1 5, and the remaining 1 5 we have to take. Get it? Like this we have to find out the factor while finding LCM. Now multiply it. 3 multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 5s are 18 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 18 multiplied by 25. If you don't know, you can write like this. Multiplied it. 5 8s are 40. 0 carry 1. 5 1s are 5 and 4 9. Plus 2 8s are 16. 6 carry 1. 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. 0 9 6 15. 5 carry 1 450. The LCM for the 18 30 and 50 will be 450. That you have to write. The LCM of 18 30 and 50 is 450. Hope you have understand about it, how to find out the least common multiple. And remember, while finding the common factor, this is little bit different than the HCF. Okay, I'm reminding you once again. First make the pair. When you're making pair, from this pair you have to choose only one number. Okay, like this. you have to choose only one number, but the remaining same number you have to take also. Then 2 is making pair with this 2, we took 1 2. Okay, from the pair of 5 we took only 1 5, and the remaining 5 we also take like this.